What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another quick video here. I have some unconfirmed reports that my third brake light doesn't work. It might not. Either way, we're gonna change it, upgrade it to a Morimoto LED. I've already got the Morimoto headlights, LED headlights, LED fog lights, and now I have the Morimoto LED third brake light. Eventually I'll get the other two brake lights, but they're expensive. So I also highly recommend them. You should get you some. I'll put a link down in the description. Right. You guys tell me if this works, because I can't tell. Let's see if it worked. Okay, so it would appear that it works. It's just dim and old. This would be a massive pain in the butt if you were just changing the bulbs out. F-16s. That ought to blow the microphone out, huh? See if I can get something to clean that up before I hook everything else up. Oh god, almost died. Wouldn't want a leak. That would suck. Alright. Anybody want to buy that? $15. Alright, so here's the new one. All LED. Really? Really, guys? In between the two? Look at this. It's in between the two wires. It's just... Who does this? Ugh. Their lights are really good though. That was a poor decision. Alright. Let's hook that in there. Hook this in back here. Get those lined up and cool. Now, I need you to tell me if they work or if it's completely ruined. Alright, new one's in. Let's take a look. Hope it works. Alright, so that wraps up the third brake light install. Pretty simple, and they're really not that expensive. Like 180 bucks, I think. 200, let's say 200. That's not that bad. And you're never going to have to change the light bulbs on them. Can't beat it. They're going to last forever. They're LEDs. Stick around. I got some more upgrades coming.